What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at this super functional camping light. Now the company sent me this over to check out, so let's go ahead and take a look. Now this does come in this nice little traveling case, so you can always take it with you, and the traveling case does hold the accessories. As far as those accessories go, you get a USB Type-C cable and then 3 tent pegs. As we take a look at this, it's not necessarily all that big, which I like. So if you are hiking, camping, it's not going to take up a lot of space. Now at the bottom, we do have a master power switch, and you can see there are some rubber feet on the bottom, because if you're not going to extend the legs out and you just want to say like on a table, you can just kind of set it down, which is nice. There's also this little hook at the top, so if you wanted to hang this somewhere, you can go ahead and do that very easily. Also down here, we have our USB Type-C connection, and you can see the indication LEDs letting us know how charged up it is. And of course that gets closed, so that connection is protected. At the top, we have all of our buttons, and there is a flashlight, which I will show you. Now, opening this up and extending it is really easy. So you just want to pull on the top, and this top section will pull out, and then we can go ahead and pull out the different light sections. Now, you can just set it on a table like this. You can extend this up quite far if you want as well, and again, still keep it on a table. But if you did want to like put it on the ground, you have these feet that also come out. And again, this is where you would put those included pegs if you wanted to like peg it into the ground. And then our max height, as you can see, I mean, this gets quite high for a light, which is really, really awesome. Now, turning this on is really easy. So you hit the power button once, and that's just gonna turn on one of the lights. There's a total of 3. We hit it again, turns on the second light. We hit it one more time, and that turns on the third light. And as you can see, you can adjust these however you want for the amount of light you want. Now you can adjust the brightness. So I believe I'm on the lowest brightness, so I can go up one more, and I can go up one more, and you can see how much this is gonna illuminate. So if you just took just this and you were out camping and you were having dinner, this is gonna illuminate the entire thing, which is great. And again, this is the highest brightness level, and then again, we can go down to this would be the lowest brightness level. We'll keep it on medium. You can also change the color temperature. So I believe it's 6,000 Kelvin and 3,000 Kelvin. So if we go ahead and hit this button, so that definitely brings us to the, I believe, 3,000 Kelvin, and then the more brighter 6,000 Kelvin. And then that turns, you hit the mode button again, and that turns on the flashlight. So you can see how the flashlight would work as well, which again is great to have if you were camping. And we can go ahead and turn the lights back on. I believe if you hold in the mode button, it does sort of like this SOS mode that sort of blinks the lights. So if you're in trouble or something like that, you could enable the SOS mode. We hit the mode button again, the entire thing turns off. And again, we can turn all 3 lights back on. But this is incredibly functional, and it's so awesome that the entire thing breaks all the way down. You can charge it via USB, which makes it super easy to charge. And again, you can adjust the lights. You can move the lights however you want. It is just the perfect thing for camping. So if you're looking for an awesome, super functional camping light, this is one that I would definitely recommend.